Hello and welcome. This is Today in the News. First with the headlines. Court grants Nnamdi Kanu access to medical care of his choice. Edo State government begins massive renovation of public secondary schools. Bandits abduct 4 in Zamfara. Demands 80 million ransom. NEC proposes state-run cash transfer programs. The Federal High Court in Abuja has ordered the Department of State Service to grant the leader of the Indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, access to a medical doctor of his choice on grounds that he requires urgent ear surgery amidst his reported failing health. Justice Binta Nyako, while delivering judgment, also ordered that the Department of State Services should monitor, record, and seal all medical sessions administered on the IPOB leader for security purposes. The trial judge also dismissed the preliminary objections filed by the DSS challenging the application before it on grounds that Mr. Kanu had the right to medical services even in detention. The court in its judgment also ordered that all Mr. Kanu's medical records be made available to the IPOB leader. Edo State government and the Adolescent Girls Initiative for Learning and Empowerment have flagged off massive renovation in 10 public secondary schools in the state. At the flag-off program, each school received over 90 million naira for the renovation of dilapidated structures to enhance teaching and learning. Presenting checks to the benefiting schools, the wife of Edo State Governor, Dr. Olayemi Oyebanji, explains that under Agile project sponsored by World Bank teachers were equipped with digital skill to improve productivity. The Edo State First Lady urged the management of the benefiting schools to judiciously use the money for what it's meant for. Mrs. Oyebanji says over 200 public secondary schools have since benefited from Agile projects. Abductors of 4 persons in Dambaza community in Maradun local government area of Zamfara state are demanding 80 million naira as ransom. The victims, all children and granddaughter of a politician from the affected community. TVC News gathered that the armed men stormed the community at about 3 a.m. and went straight to the house of the politician with the intent to abduct him, but he had left the village for medical trip. The National Economic Council has proposed that state governments implement cash transfer programs using state-generated social registers to soften the harsh economic realities since the discontinuance of petrol subsidy on May 29. This is different from the National Social Register, which as of 2023 has captured over 61 million vulnerable Nigerians eligible for various government social programs. The implementation NEC also proposed would be based on the individual capacity and priority of various states. Governors of Anambra, Professor Charles Soludo, Ogun, Dapo Abiodun, Bauchi, Bala Mohammed, and acting CBN Governor Folashodun Shonubi revealed this to State House correspondents after Thursday's National Economic Council meeting, chaired by Vice President Kashim Shettima at the Aso Rock Villa in Abuja.